What's happening, everybody? It's Earl coming to you from mgmclassiccars.com, Addison, Illinois. Look what just rolled in. This is a Daytona 2004 special edition Viper Club car that was part of the race. Thing is magnificent, 70-some thousand mile, one owner. Viper all the way. Wolfgang, the crew chief, signed it. This is number 5 out of 50 that were ever made and produced. Everything fully maintained, custom interior from the factory, 6-speed manual transmission. This thing is a beast. Only color they came in. Look at that face. No paint flaws on all the lower fairings. Real. This thing is fun running down the road. I just drove it. It is a beast. I'll get it a little farther off there. Let me give it a little gas first, and then we'll go over the truck some more. Everything's working as it should. There it is, signed and numbered. We'll get back to the interior in a second. It's got slotted discs all the way around. Nothing's been modified. Very highly collectible. Beast. Paint is in great shape. See how deep it is. All original. Tonneau cover in the back. All carpeted. I'll close this up. Rear bumper and everything is good. 10-cylinder. No rash on the wheels. Hey, everybody. Big old tire. Let's see if I can see the size. I can't right now. I'll take a look again. No door dings. Everything is the way it should be. Let's see if I can see the size here. It's got Coopers on there now. Where's the size of the tire here? Okay, I can't. We'll find it. It's got beautiful, beautiful stance. Tank. Tons of performance. I'll have all the description on our website. Let's take a look inside. Embroidered. Power seats, power everything. Infinity sound system. Clutch feels great. Kenwood sound. Interior's great. No stories, got a big ass woofer back there. Headliner is good all the way throughout. 6-speed. Push button start. Tilt cruise. Very, very sought after truck. It's located at our warehouse in Addison, Illinois. We carry 250 cars in stock and offer special financing with good credit up to 180 months and shipping nationwide, opened and enclosed, bonded and insured. All our cars are on our website with all our descriptions. We're loaded, getting ready. Spring is here. We've been real busy. All our videos, pricing, and photos at mgmclassiccars.com. We are 15 minutes southwest of O'Hare Airport. Warehouse is open Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and Saturday from 10 to 2. By appointment only. This thing is just beautiful. You don't see them, that's why I love it so much. And if you have any questions on any of our inventory, shipping, any of my cars, anything we can help you with, please give us a call. Ask for Earl at 847-848-1850. Again, that's 847-848-1850. I'm Earl. Be more than happy to just leave a message. I'll call you back. Look at that sucker. What a nice truck. Please like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And this 04 Daytona 500 special edition, 1 out of 50, this is number 5, is available. So give us a call, let's get this home with you, or give me a call, we'll get something home in the garage. It's playtime. Have a good day, everybody. MGMClassicCars.com.